this module, you are learning how to connect to your customer voice data via Power BI. This video will demonstrate how to connect to your environment using the Power BI desktop app with the Common Data Service connector. After making this connection, the customer voice tables can be linked and a new report can be created. To begin, we open up the Power BI desktop app and click on Get Data. We are provided with a list of data source categories. Clicking on the Power Platform category, we can then click on the Common Data Service option and click Connect. Now we need to connect to the correct Common Data Service environment for the customer voice data. If you are not sure of the URL, this can be found by logging into admin.powerplatform.microsoft.com/environments, then clicking on the appropriate environment and accessing the environment URL from the Details area. Add your server URL to the login screen in the Power BI desktop app, then click OK. If you are already logged in, you will bypass the next step and will not be prompted for your username and password. If you are not logged in, click on Sign In. Enter your email address, then click Next. Add your password, then click the Sign In button. Now that it shows we are signed in, clicking the Connect button will then allow us to access the database. We will then be taken to the Navigator pane, which displays the environment we just connected to. Opening the Entities folder, we can scroll down to the entities with a prefix of MSFP_. From here, we can click in the box next to each of the customer voice related entities. In addition to the customer voice entities, there are two other entities to add. The first one is the activity party entity, and the second one is the contact entity. Once all of the entities have been selected, click on the Load button. When the load of the entities is complete, we need to set up the relationships between them by creating links from different fields. Click on the Model option to view the tables. Although they have all been added, there are currently no links between them. First, move the tables around into a more logical, easy-to-see layout. After making the adjustments, the tables are neater and can be seen without the need to scroll. The links can now be created. From the MSFP_survey table, a link can be created to the MSFP_question table via the MSFP_survey ID field to the MSFP survey field. To create the link, click on that field from the originating table and drag to the destination table and drop on the field in that table. Hovering your mouse over the link between the two tables will show you exactly which fields have been used to create the connection. Next, from the MSFP_survey table, a link can be created to the MSFP_survey invite table via the MSFP_survey ID field. Dragging the field from one table to another as done in the first step, we can create our next connection. Continue through creating all of the table links as needed, using the table and field details found in this module. The only table without any links is the MSFP underscore unsubscribed recipient table. This can be used in your report if required, but does not link directly to any of the other tables. For the activity party table and the contact table, consider which fields are absolutely needed in your report. Columns can be chosen by using the Transform Data option and then selecting the specific columns that are needed. Once the linking is complete, you are now ready to start creating your report. In the next module, we will begin customizing a simple report in Power BI Desktop using the data from Customer Voice.